friends today are going to draw a Christmas Hello Kitty.
We hope you're really excited to follow along with us. Here's a little preview of how it turned out at the very end.
Yeah, she's super cute.
And for this lesson, we're using our pencil and eraser to first draw the shape of her head. And that makes it a little easier when we switch to our marker.
But you can use whatever you have.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
First, we're going to use our pencil to draw one shape, the oval for Hello Kitty's head. And we're going to start here. I'm going to draw it kind of big so that we could draw Hello Kitty big. But you could draw her smaller if you want. You don't have to draw the same size. I'm going to draw it this big. And if you want, you could go back over it and get it just the way you want it before we move on to the next step. If you have extra lines, you can switch to your eraser and erase the ones you don't want to keep so that it doesn't get confusing later on when we switch to our marker. Let's do one more thing with our pencil first before we switch to our marker. We're going to draw her little ears. We're going to draw an upside down curved. That's too big. I'm going to draw a little smaller because Hello Kitty has the cute little ears. And then we're going to draw another upside down curved letter V over here. I think these are too big too. I'm going to make them even smaller. That's the nice part about using a pencil. You can work on it until you get it just right, and then erase the extra lines. Now we're done with our pencil, let's put that off to the side and switch to our marker. But our friends, if you want, you could keep using a pencil. You don't have to switch. Okay, now let's add the details and turn our Hello Kitty into a Christmas one. Okay, first we got to draw the famous bow.
The famous bow.
Yes, okay. We're going to draw a circle first, and we're going to draw it over here on the right side and just a little to the left of the ear. So not right in the middle, but a little to the left. We're going to draw it about here. I'm going to draw it this size. And then we're going to draw the big puffy part of the bow. So we're going to come out, and we can do the same thing over here. We're going to go out, and this should go past the ear on this side, so you can balance out the left if you need to, if you make the right side a little bigger. Yeah, and then we're going to come down, and then we're going to come back in. We'll finish the rest of the bow on each side. Yes, and then we're going to draw a little loop or a letter U inside on both sides. And I made the bow a little bit bigger, but you can make it more round. I'll do that next time. Okay, now let's add the little nose. We're going to draw it right here, an oval shape. And then we're going to draw the eyes, and I'm going to draw it right about here, and we're going to draw an oval going this way and an oval going over here. And then we can also color those in. It's starting to look like her.
Yes.
Now let's give her her Santa hat. We're going to start here, and we're going to draw a bumpy line coming across, little bumps, and connect to the bow. And we could draw a little one out here. I'm going to also come around and connect back in, and then we'll start on this side, and we'll do the same thing. Come over, and so we've got that fluffy part at the bottom of Santa's hat. Okay, and then up here, let's draw a little pom-pom that also has those small little bumps. And then to finish the Santa hat, we'll draw the curve coming down on the left and also on the right. Let's also draw a fluffy collar for her little Santa outfit. We're going to start here, and we'll draw the bumpy line coming across her neck. And then let's curve around and draw the bottom side of her collar. Okay, now we're ready to finish the details on her head. Let's start over here, and we're going to start inside the ear, and we'll curve down, trace over the pencil line, and we can do the same thing over here. Start at the bow though, and come down to the collar. And then we'll trace over her ear, just over the pencil that we've already drawn on each side. She's looking cute.
She is.
What are we missing?
Her body.
Yeah, her body, but also
her whiskers.
Her whiskers, yeah. Let's start with the middle one, and we'll come right out from the eye, and I'm going to start inside, and this one's the shortest whisker, and we'll do the same on this side. And then we're going to draw a longer one above and below. And we'll do the same on this side. I'm turning my paper sideways. Sometimes that's a little easier to draw. Yes. Okay. Now let's take a little break. We'll switch from our marker back to our eraser and erase the pencil lines that you can still see. Now we're ready to draw her body. Let's start here, and we're going to draw the side of her body coming down from the collar. And then we're going to make it really cute and add another fluffy part to the bottom of her coat, her winter coat or Santa outfit. So we draw the top of the fluffy part. Then we're going to curve around and do the bottom with more bumps. And then for her legs, we're going to just draw the cute, small little legs sticking out the bottom. So we're going to draw a line in the middle. Then we can draw a diagonal line coming down on each side, coming in. And then we're going to curve from the outside, curve around, and then right here we're going to curve into the middle line on both sides too. Okay, now for her arms and her sleeves. Let's draw a line or a diagonal curve coming out of her collar to match on both sides. And then we're gonna do, you could make them a little longer so they come down just a little bit further. And then we're gonna draw the fluffy part at the bottom of her sleeve. And then we're gonna do the same thing, curve around and add more fluffy. This is really cozy. The fluffiness, yeah. And then for her hand, we'll just draw a curve coming out of the collar or the sleeve and into her jacket. And then we got to draw another cute little detail. We'll draw little pom-poms hanging down or a tie. So we draw two diagonal lines from the collar, and then we can draw the same thing up here, but maybe a little smaller, little popcorn shape or a big round cloud.
Oh.
We did it. We finished. We still need to do one more thing.
Color her.
Yes, my favorite. She is white, but we're gonna add red to her Santa outfit. This part will fast forward, but you can pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Hadley, we did it. We finished coloring Hello Kitty and she turned out really cute.
Yeah, it was really easy because it's just red and yellow.
Yeah, not very many colors. But our friends, you guys can finish your drawing by adding a background or more Hello Kitty friends.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Christmas Hello Kitty.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours because both of our drawings don't look exactly the same, but they both turn out awesome. Mm-hmm. That's because the most important thing is
to have fun.
Yeah, and to
practice.
We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.